I tried 5 different side hustles in just 7 days in the USA, starting with zero experience and almost zero money, and what I discovered honestly shocked me. One of these methods started showing results way faster than I expected, while another completely failed. Stay with me till the end because the number one result might change the way you think about making money online in 2026. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I tested 5 popular side hustles that people in the USA are currently using to make money online. I didn't use any paid ads, I didn't have a team, and I started completely from scratch, just like a beginner. My goal was simple: find out which side hustle actually works in real life, not just on the internet. First, I tried freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork by offering a simple logo design service using free tools. I sent around 20 proposals, but replies were slow. After a few days, I finally got one small order and made around $15 in total. It works, but it definitely takes time and consistency. Next, I created a faceless TikTok page where I posted short finance-related videos every day. One of my videos got over 12,000 views, which was exciting, but in 7 days, I didn't earn anything from it. However, I can clearly see that this method has long-term potential if you stay consistent. After that, I tested print on demand by uploading t-shirt designs on a free Shopify trial. I created 5 designs and waited for results, but unfortunately, I didn't get any sales in 7 days. I realized that this method needs strong marketing and the right niche to actually work. Then I moved to affiliate marketing by promoting Amazon products through short videos and bio links. This one actually surprised me a little because I got some clicks and ended up making around $8 in commission. It's small, but it proves that traffic can turn into real money. Finally, I tried AI content creation services, where I offered captions and script writing to small creators on Instagram. This turned out to be the best side hustle. Within just a few days, I managed to get 2 clients and made around $120 in total. So overall, in 7 days, I made around $143. Freelancing and AI services performed the best, while print on demand didn't work for me in this short time. The main lesson I learned is that not every side hustle gives instant results, but the right skill can start making money very quickly if you focus properly. If I continue the AI service method for a month, I honestly believe it could turn into a full-time income stream. If you want, I can also show you step by step how to start the best working method from this experiment.